We can also break things down into steps by thinking in terms of groups. So imagine that residents are interested in having an event. They want to invite people, relatives, or the staff to come to an event. You can set up an assembly line so that one resident takes an envelope and opens it, passes it down. The next takes some paper and folds it, hands the folded paper and the envelope to the next person. The next person puts the folded paper into the envelope, passes it. The next person has a tube with water and a sponge. They seal it. The next person puts a stamp on it. And so you can break things down into steps, have each resident do one step, and yet have a complex process that can be completed by the group of residents.